Hello everyone, I am Sneha, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Siddhartha Academy of Higher Education, deemed to be University. Let us discuss about the execution of Python programming. So in this presentation, we will cover the topics like Python installation, Anaconda installation, Jupyter Notebook interface. Let us see first one about Python installation. So here you can this is a screenshot of the Python website homepage. So this website is python.org. From this you can download Python for free. So this is a screenshot of Python's website download section with a highlighted button to download the latest Python version for Windows. So if anyone are having Mac, you can see the left side options. You can click on Mac and you can download the particular software related to that operating system. This is example for Windows. So it also mentions that Python 3.9 plus cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. Next, after downloading, you will get a .exe file in your download section. So there, if you click on that, you will get this one. It shows Python 3.9.0 64-bit installer options. Install now. If you can see install now option there. You click on that, which means it shows a default installation path, allowing modifying installation location and optional features. Click on checkboxes. Install for all users. Add Python 3.9 to path. Next, coming to Anaconda installation. Anaconda is nothing but it is a software. So on the screen you can see a screenshot of the Anaconda website homepage, anaconda.com. Next one, you can see a screenshot of Anaconda website's products page with Anaconda distribution highlighted. You can select your own options on your own products depending upon your requirement. Next, click on next one. There is a screenshot of the Anaconda installer's website welcome screen. Click on next. Next one is it is a screenshot of the Anaconda installer's license agreement. Click on next. Click on next or I agree. You can see a screenshot of the Anaconda installer asking to select the installation type, just me or all users, and select your required option and click on next. Next, you can see a screenshot of the Anaconda installer where the user can choose the installation location and click on next. To launch a Jupyter notebook, open your Anaconda prompt, navigate to the directory where you would like to save your notebook files. Then type the command Jupyter notebook and the program will instantiate a local server at the local host. A screenshot of the Windows Start menu with Anaconda prompt is highlighted with a red color box. Click on that. Next, a screenshot of the Anaconda prompt window showing the default prompt. Next, navigating to the working directory. This is a screenshot of the Anaconda prompt showing commands to change the directory to a specific location, and then the command to launch Jupyter Notebook. And next, creating a Jupyter Notebook file. A screenshot of the Jupyter Notebook interface with a new drop down menu open showing Python 3 is selected. See the right side of the screenshot on the screen. Next, how to save a Jupyter file. So you can see a screenshot of the rename notebook dialog box where the user can enter a new name for the notebook file. And last, how to execute a Jupyter notebook file. So click on cell and write code. So there are these are the shortcuts. Escape, we can use escape to enter the into command mode, enter to enter into edit mode, control plus enter to execute a cell, shift plus enter to execute a cell and create a new cell, A in command mode to create new cell above, B in command mode to create new cell below, and DD in command mode to delete a cell.